Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 black screen with cursor issue. For all its new features, Windows 11 also comes with a new ongoing bug that affects a lot of early adopters. Some users are reporting that after the initial login screen, they are stuck with a black screen where the cursor is visible, but the Windows 11 PC is totally unresponsive. So how to fix problem? Restarting the PC is one of the best troubleshooting techniques and can fix a plethora of errors caused by trivial issues or bugs. When encountering a black screen with cursor, you may not be able to shut down Windows 11 the normal way. In this case, your only option is to force shut down the OS using the power button. Press and hold the button long enough for the Windows to shut down, and then press it again after a minute to turn it back on when you restart the OS. Any bug that's causing the issue is likely to be eliminated. Check if the black screen with cursor issue is fixed. In case it persists, just go to the next step apt fix. Next step, follow the video to force your Windows 11 computer to boot into Windows recovery mode and uninstall the latest feature update. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and then restart your PC by pressing the Shift key while you select the power button. Restart in the lower right corner of the screen your Windows 11 computer to boot directly into the Windows recovery screen. Once you're inside the advanced options screen, click on Troubleshoot from the list of available options. From the Advanced tab, click on Uninstall Updates. You will find two options, Quality Update and Feature Update. Quality updates are regular and smaller in size, whereas feature updates are larger and come twice a year. If you are not sure which update it was, click on Uninstall Latest Quality Update and see if that fixes the black screen issue. If that does not work, click on Uninstall Latest Feature Update and wait for a good hour. Once the process completes, your PC will restart. Now, check if the black screen issue has been resolved or not. You can also do another thing by going to Advanced Options, and that is Startup Repair and System Restore. I think your problem can be fixed. You can do these two things, Startup Repair and System Restore. If the above method didn't work and you are still getting a black screen before login into your Windows 11 PC, booting into the safe mode might fix the issue. Here are the steps to follow. First of all, boot into safe mode on Windows 11 by following our previous guide. From the recovery screen, you need to follow this path, troubleshoot, then click to Advanced Options, thereafter click on Startup, then click Settings, then click to restart. Here, press the 4 or F4 key to start Windows 11 in safe mode. Once you are into safe mode, I suggest you simply restart the PC. Sometimes, just booting into safe mode fixes the black screen issue on Windows 11. Check if you are able to log into your computer and if everything works fine. If not, move to the next step. Boot back to safe mode and uninstall suspicious programs on Windows 11. At times, some malicious programs stop Windows 11 from loading its components properly. So remove the pesky apps that you have no idea about. Now, restart your PC, and this might resolve the black screen issue. Next step, reset the graphics adapter. A quick way to fix issues with the display is to reset the graphics adapter. Just hit Win plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B on your keyboard and you should hear a slight beep, followed by a momentary flash on the screen, an indication that the reset is gone through. After the graphics driver is reset, check if the Windows 11 black screen with cursor issue is resolved and the display works normally. If the Explorer shell has been modified in the registry, Windows 11 usually shows a black screen. To revert these changes, follow the steps below. This will correctly load the Explorer shell and fix the black screen issue on your PC. For users getting a black screen with a cursor after login on Windows 11, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and open Task Manager. Click on File on the top menu bar and open Run New Task. Here, type regedit in the text box and enable the Create this task with Administrator Privileges checkbox. Now, hit Enter. The registry editor will now open up. Here, follow this path. First click to HKey Local Machine. Then click on Software. Thereafter find Microsoft and click on. Then find Windows NT and click on Windows NT. Then click to Current Version. Then find WinLogon and click to WinLogon. On the right pane, you will find Shell. Double-click to open it and make sure Explorer X is present under Value Data. If it's not there, change the text and click on OK. Now, restart your PC, and the black screen issue on Windows 11 will be fixed. These are the most effective methods that should get your Windows 11 PC up and running in no time. But the trick to quick and effective troubleshooting is to identify the underlying cause and apply the relevant solution. The black screen with cursor issue in Windows is not new, it's been present on the previous OS as well, though the fixes pretty much remain the same, except for some minor changes. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.